Hello everyone, you are welcome. Let's see how we can solve this beautiful problem here. 5 parenthesis 3 to the power of x over 4 equals 25. So what's the solution of x? Now let's see how we're going to do this. So I'm going to have what? I'm going to have this to be 5 then 3 to the power of x over 4, okay, equals 25. So now from here, this parenthesis same thing as having 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of x over 4, alright, equals what? Equals 25. Alright, so from there, you can see that I can divide both sides by 5 here. So if I have 5, okay, 3 to the power of x over 4 equals 25 here. So I can divide both sides by 5. I divide both sides by 5, okay. So you see that this, we cancel this. Then we're going to have 3 to the power of x over 4 equals, now 25 divided by 5 will give us what? Will give us 5. So I have this. So from there, introduce logarithm to the both side of the equation. So I'm going to be introducing logarithm with the logarithm with respect to base 3, because we are having the base here to be 3. So I'm going to be introducing a logarithm with the base 3. Are you getting it? So that will give me, I'm going to have what? I'm going to have this. We have 3 here. 3 x over 4 then equals log base 3 then 5. Alright, so moving on. So you can see that this power here, you have to come down here. Alright, so according to the law of logarithm, so that is when you have something like log of a to the power of b. So this is going to be b log of what? Log of a. So that is the law we want to use there. So therefore that will be x, okay, over 4 log is 3, then we have 3 here, then equals log base 3 then 5. Alright, so from there the next thing we're going to do is that we can see also, let's recall that when you have something like log base a to a, so for a not equal 0, so you can see that this is going to be 1. It's going to be 1. So we're going to use the idea there. So we're going to have x over 4. We have x over 4, x over 4 multiplied by 1, because everything here becomes 1 using what? Using this law. Understood? So be equal to then log base 3 5. So here we'll be having x over 4 then equals log of base 3 then 5. Alright, so moving on. So the next thing we're going to do is to multiply the two sides by 4. So we're going to be having x to be equals 4 multiplying log of base 3 5. Then we're going to be having x to be 4 log base 3 5. So this is the solution to the what? To the problem. Are you getting it now? So this is the solution to the problem. So we have this to be a solution. Okay. Alright. So now let's check whether what we have is right or not. So now from the equation given to us, so we are given what? We are given, we want to check. Okay, let's check. We are given 5 3 to the power of x over what? X over 4 then equals 25. So now what are you going to do here? So now if I have 5 multiplying 3 to the power of x over what? Over 4. So you know that I can have, will this give us 25? So you know that if you have 5 multiplied by 3, the value of x we got is 4 log base 3 5. Then divided by what? Divided by 4. Okay, then equals what? Equals 25. Are you following? So now from there, you're going to have what? You're going to have 5 multiplied by 3. So now from here, you see that this 4, we cancel this 4 here. So you are left with what? You are left with log base 3 5. Then will this give us 25? Alright, so the next thing we're going to do from there is that when you have something like this from the law of logarithm, when you have logarithm, let's say we have base a, logarithm with base a, and we have b here, so automatically, so this a, we cancel this, we call it anti-logarithm, and we are going to have our answer to be b. So we're going to have 5 multiplied by this, we cancel this. All right, so we're going to have what? We're going to have 5. Will this give us 25? So you can see it, 5 times 5 will give us what? 25 equals what? Equals 25. So which means that the solution we got to be this is what? Is valid because it satisfies the given equation. So thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying this class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn. If you are just watching our video for the first time, consider subscribing, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Bye.